only took me half hour to park it right in there. The shoveling, all that. Look, I can't even see over there. And there's our trees covered with snow. Look at that. Look how low they're running. Let me get my shovel. I just cleaned this up about 15 minutes ago, and look how it is already. More like half hour. That's when I started cleaning the truck. So yeah, half hour. Look at that. Look at that walkway.
It's covered already? I have cleaned it.
I cleaned this spot here, remember? Look at that. It's like a little winter wonderland over here. Look at the other tree. Look at the dogwood tree. The dogwood tree is like laying all the way down.
I think you should cut some of the branches.
Can't cut them. I gotta take the snow off of it. Whew. Look at that one. It's split for now. Oh boy. It's crazy. Get out of here. That's my front porch. It's crazy.
You coming into the back?
No, I'm going to the front here. Hello. Look at you with the rag on your head. I'm coming inside now. The shadow.
Shovel, what should we do? Maybe you should come into the back.
Why?
Because you got the shovel. I
So?
can get the back. It should be okay.
Take my bag then. Take my bag.
Give me the back.
Wow.
I was so scared when you was next to him.
Larry's car. Okay. Whoop, whoop. Up. 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 Oh. Oh. Oh man. Gotta go through this thing here. Oh. Ooh. Look at this. It's crazy. My snowman over there. Look at that. It's under something over there. Under the snow, you see the sticks? Somewhere there. Ooh. Man. All right. I'm at the back. That's my door. All right.